update from us in Sofia. So we are in the Montecito Hotel in Sofia.
Yep, it's very nice.
It's very nice. You know, you can see like here there is a nice swimming pool, and the price via booking was 139 leva, which means that
For two people, one night.
yeah, and then you have the luxe room.
Yeah, you have a two-person bed and a very nice, spacious room.
And we have each other.
Yeah.
Yay!
Unfortunately, if you book at the Montecito, you don't get hurt. So that's
No. No, but we're having a lovely time together. Just, you know, a little, how do you call that? Unstressing. Yeah, unstressing time together in this lovely hotel. Montecito Hotel. Really, we would recommend it, right? Yeah. It's not so expensive, and you have an amazing swimming pool. And yeah, the rooms are amazing. I will put some footage, some little videos from everything that we have here. I mean, yeah. And we're gonna enjoy ourselves here together.
very much.
And yeah, so bye for now.